My name is Maynard Johnny Jr. I'm a Salish Artist for a living, and my traditional name is Thii Hayqwtun, and that means big fire. I was given that name by my uncle from Musqueam, Shane Point, and he says it's because my art brings warmth to people's homes. I've always wanted to be the most unique Salish artist. As any artist, they want to set themselves apart from everybody else. In this past few years of my career, I've really wanted to focus on creating my own niche. So I kind of took traditional Salish design and not evolve the shapes, but use them in different ways than they would normally be used, which allowed me to create more design, which allowed me to use more color. We have access to all these different crazy colors now, so why not use them? Having the Salish Heron on the Salish Sea, I wanted something that people are going to be, wowed by. You don't think of the grand scale while you're creating this piece. But I knew once I sat down to create this design, it was gonna flow out nice and easy. Creating a design in such a skinny, long format, it was also a bit of a challenge. So coming up with a design that fits in that shape but still represents the Salish Heron, so that when you look at it, you know it's a heron. And then basically said, okay, the blue's gonna go here, the dark blue's gonna go there, black is gonna go here, orange, yellow. My ancestors traveled this Salish Sea for hundreds of years before contact, and my work is going to be sailing the same Salish Sea as my ancestors, and I think it means a lot to me. It will raise awareness of the first people of this territory. I'm hoping my daughter and my grandkids will know you can achieve something if you put your mind to it. For me, it's the getting a message out for truth and reconciliation and bridging a gap that needs to be bridged. The idea is to create that awareness, to create the questions for them to say, wow, this is a really beautiful piece of art. Why did BC Ferries do this? And then they can go into the vessel and see a little write-up of why the design was created, and maybe take something home in their heart that they maybe never thought of before. And that's a goal I've always wanted to use as an artist, to show the beauty of my art and my culture to the rest of the world.